In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then you need to tap on this icon of a camera and the photo located at the bottom left corner and click on all of your photos that you wish to add. If you can't find them here, select Folders, find the chosen one and tap on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!